Let's talk about human activities and climate change. Since the dawn of the human race, we have slowly been increasing our influence on the atmosphere. But with the Industrial Revolution and the extensive use of fossil fuels, this influence became bigger and bigger. In the 1960s, scientists started to warn about the problem caused by the greenhouse gases that we release by the burning fossil fuels. The climate change term was first mentioned by the World Meteorological Organization in 1966, but back then the certainty of the cause of the change was very low. By now, most scientists and governments too agree that climate change is man-made. In fact, 99% of scientists who have written articles for peer-reviewed journals have concluded that humans are the driving cause of global warming and climate change. At the same time, it is important to know that global warming is, if not the most, one of the most carefully and fully studied topics in human history. So this overwhelming scientific consensus is very telling. How do we know that the atmosphere is warming? The greenhouse gases have two major sources: burning fossil fuels and breeding cows, sheep or goats that release methane. Methane has 25-30 times bigger heat-trapping potential than CO2 and also stays longer in the atmosphere. Carbon dioxide concentration in the atmosphere is quickly rising. You can see this on the following graph available from NASA website. It shows that the concentration of CO2 in the atmosphere, measured in parts per million, through the history of the Earth and the sharp rise since 1950. Global average temperatures are constantly rising. As a result of the growing concentration of CO2 in the atmosphere's potential to trap heat increases, thus making the Earth warm up. You can explore recent statistics on carbon dioxide concentrations, global temperature rise, Arctic ice, and sea level at the NASA Climate Change Interactive website www.climate.nasa.gov.